Now see this question. Two curves are given in this one. Xy is equal to is one curve, the other curve is x square plus 4y is equal to 0. Now we have to find out the angle between those two curves. Now suppose if they are intersecting at x1, y1, we have to find out the slopes of the tangents at that point for both the curves. Then we have to take them as m1 and m2, and if you consider the angle between the two tangents as theta, then theta is the angle between the curves. For that we will use the formula tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. But before that we have to find out the point where they are intersecting. We shall take that point as x1, y1. Let us find out that point by solving these two equations. By solving 1 and 2. Here square the first one by squaring 1 implies x square y square is equal to 4. But x square value from the second one is minus 4y. Substitute in the place of y square, x square sorry. That implies x square is minus 4y. Minus 4y into y square is equal to 4, because x square is equal to minus 4y from 2. Now this is 4 is cancelled on both sides. So minus y cube is equal to 1. That implies y cube is minus 1. So y is equal to cube root of minus 1, that is minus 1. That implies y is equal to minus 1. We have to find out x value. X is equal to 2 by y from 1. From 1, x is equal to 2 by y. 2 by y, but y is minus 1. 2 by minus 1 equal to minus 2. So point of intersection x1, y1 is minus 2 comma minus 1. Point of intersection x1, y1, that is equal to minus 2. X value is minus 2 and y value is minus 1. So minus 2 comma minus 1. At that point they are intersecting. Now we shall differentiate both the curves and substitute that point. You will get m1 and m2. Differentiate 1 with respect to x implies x, it is a product, x into derivative of y plus y into derivative of x, that is x into dy by dx plus y into derivative of x is 1. On the right side it is constant, so it is 0. So dy by dx from this, you bring y to the right side, minus y by x. But point is there here. We have to substitute that point. You will get the slope of the tangent at that point. So let us take it as m1. m1 is equal to dy by dx at which point minus 2 comma minus 1. Put x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to minus 1. Minus of y is minus 1 by minus 2. But minus and minus are cancelled, still it is minus 1 by 2. Next, differentiate 2 with respect to x. Differentiate the second equation. X square derivative 2x plus 4y derivative 4 into dy by dx is equal to 0. This implies dy by dx is equal to minus 2x by 4. Of course 2 is cancelled in this one, minus x by 2, that is minus x by 2. So m2 is equal to dy by dx at minus 2 minus 1. In place of x you have to write minus 2. Minus of minus 2 plus 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. Minus of, this is minus of x by 2. X is minus 2. Minus of minus 2 plus 2 by 2, that is 1. So tan theta formula. Tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So that is equal to m1 is minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 1 plus m1 into m2. m1 into m2 is minus half into 1. So that is equal to, this is minus 3 by 2. This is 1 minus half, that is 1 by 2. 2 is cancelled, minus 3 by 1, that is minus 3. Modulus of minus 3 is plus 3. So tan theta is 3. So theta is equal to tan inverse tan inverse 3. So that is the angle between the two given curves. Now here, these are the given curves. We have to find out the angle between those two curves. Now, first of all, before finding out that angle, we have to find out the points of intersection where the two curves are intersecting. Now let us solve these two by solving 1 and 2. Y square value is 4x, substitute in second one. From 1 and 2, x square plus y square is 5, but y square value is 4x is equal to 5. In place of y square, I wrote this 4x. So bring it to the left side, x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. This is, how to factorize this one, 5 into 1 minus 5, so x square minus x plus 5x minus 5 is equal to 0. 5x minus x, 4x. So that implies x into x minus 1 plus 5 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. That is x plus 5 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 5 or 1. What about y values? Y square is 4x. From 1, y square is equal to 4x. That is equal to 4 into minus 5 or 4 into 1. Or 4 into 1. So that is minus 20 or 4. But we cannot take y square is equal to negative value. Y will become imaginary if you take that value. So at x we have to take only 4. That implies y square is equal to 4 because y is a real number. Then if y square is equal to 4, y is equal to plus or minus 2. That implies y is equal to plus or minus 2. So for plus 1 only, have got these two values for y. So points of intersection. 2 points we are getting are P. First point, x value 1, y value 2. 1 comma 2 and Q. Another point also have to take 1 comma minus 2. So at these 2 points we have to find out the angles between the two curves. Now differentiate 1 with respect to x. Differentiate 1 with respect to x. What you will get? Y square derivative 2y into dy by dx is equal to 4. Cancel 1, 2 on both sides. So dy by dx equal to 2 by y. 2 by y. Now let us take m1 as, or you take it here, m1 is equal to dy by dx at that point 1 comma 2 equal to, substitute y is equal to in this one, 2 by 2, that is 1. For the same curve, find out the derivative value at this point also. So m1 dash we can take dy by dx at 1 comma minus 2. So I have to put y is equal to minus 2. 2 by minus 2 equal to minus 1. Now differentiate the second curve. Differentiate 2 with respect to x. This one, x square derivative 2x plus y square derivative 2y into dy by dx equal to 5 derivative 0. So if you divide both sides by 2, you will get x plus y into dy by dx is equal to 0. So dy by dx value minus x by y. Now let us find out m2. m2 means dy by dx at the first point, that is at this one, at 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 by y, put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1 by 2. m2 dash for the same curve at the second point, 1 comma minus 2. What's the value? In place of x you have to write 1 minus 1 by minus 2 equal to plus 1 by 2. Now here the curves are intersecting at 2 points. One is at P and the other one is at Q. Let alpha and beta be the angles between curves at P and Q. First, tan alpha m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, that is m1 1, m2 is minus 1 by 2, means plus 1 by 2 will get, by 1 plus m1 m2. m1 is 1, m2 is minus 1 by 2, 1 minus half you will get. So that is equal to 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. 2 is cancelled, equal to 3. That implies alpha is equal to tan inverse 3. Tan inverse 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, that is. And similarly find out tan beta equal to m1 dash, I will write it here, tan beta is equal to m1 dash minus m2 dash by 1 plus m1 dash m2 dash. Substitute the values. m1 dash is minus 1, m2 dash is 1 by 2, plus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 by 1 plus m1 dash is minus 1 and this is m2 dash is 1 by 2. So this is equal to minus 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. Again 2 is cancelled, you will get this is 3. So again beta is also equal to tan inverse 3. So at both the points the curves are intersecting with an angle tan inverse 3. Now here two curves are given. We have to show that those two curves intersect orthogonally. So what is the condition for orthogonality? You have to find out the slopes of the tangents at the point of intersection. We have to take them as m1 and m2. If m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1, then we can say that those two curves intersect orthogonally. So for that purpose, you have to solve these two curves to get the points of intersection. By solving 1 and 2, both are the values of y square only. So equate y square values. First one is, you can take it as 4 into x plus 1 only. 4 into x plus 1 is equal to 36 into 9 minus x. You can cancel 4 on both sides. So x plus 1 is equal to 9 into 9, 81 minus 9x. Bring 9x to the left side, 9x plus x is equal to 81 minus 1. So 10x is equal to 80. So x is equal to 8. What about y? Y square is 4 into x plus 1. 4 into x plus 1. That is 4 into 8 plus 1. That is 4 into 9. 36. Equal to 36. So y is equal to plus or minus 6. X value is same, but y values are different. 8, 6 is one point. 8 minus 6 is another point. Let the points of intersection. Points of intersection or P. First point 8 comma 6 and Q 8 comma minus 6. So at both the points we have to show that the two curves intersect orthogonally. Now let us find out the derivatives for both the curves. Differentiate one with respect to x. This equation y square derivative 2y into dy by dx. This is 4x plus 4. 4x derivative 4 into 1 plus 4 derivative 0. You can cancel 1 2 on both sides. So dy by dx is equal to 2 by y. Now m1 dy by dx at first point 8 comma 6. Put x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 6. That is 2 by 6 equal to 1 by 3. m1 dash for the same curve at the second point at q dy by dx at 8 comma minus 6. In place of y you have to write minus 6. 2 by minus 6, that is minus 1 by 3. Now differentiate the second equation also with respect to x. Differentiate 2 with respect to x. Y square derivative 2y into dy by dx is equal to right side 36 into derivative of 9 is 0, x derivative is 1. 36 into 0 minus 1, that is minus 36 is equal to minus 36. Cancel 2 on both sides, 18 you will get. So dy by dx is equal to minus 18 by y. Now let us find out m2 and m2 dash. m2 is equal to dy by dx at the first point, that is at 8 6. So minus 8 by 6, that is minus 3. m2 dash dy by dx at the second point 8 comma minus 6, that is minus 18 by minus 6, that is plus 3. So I have got this. The slopes of the tangents at P are 1 by 3 and minus 3. At the second point they are minus 1 by 3 and 3. What is m1 into m2? m1 into m2 is equal to, m1 is 1 by 3, m2 is minus 3, equal to minus 1. Similarly, m1 dash into m2 dash. m1 dash is minus 1 by 3. Here this is 3. So again it is minus 1. So at the both the points, the product of the slopes of the tangents is equal to minus 1. That means the two curves are intersecting orthogonally at both the points. Therefore, the two curves intersect orthogonally at both the points. Here two curves are given. One is ax square plus by square is equal to 1 and the second curve is a1x square plus b1y square is equal to 1. We have to find out the condition for those two curves to intersect orthogonally. Means product of the slopes must be minus 1. What is that condition? Now let us differentiate these two first. Find out m1 and m2. Let us take the point of intersection as x1 y1. Let x1 y1 be the point of intersection. Point of intersection. Then differentiate 1 with respect to x. A into x square derivative is 2x, 2ax plus y square derivative 2y into dy by dx into b is there. So 2b into y into dy by dx. For 1 it is 0. So divide both sides by 2, that implies, or else you write 2by into dy by dx equal to minus 2ax. Cancel 2 on both sides. So dy by dx is equal to minus ax by by. Now let us substitute the value of x1, y1 for x and y. So m1 is equal to dy by dx at x1, y1, that is equal to minus ax1 by by1. Now let us take the second curve, differentiation of second curve. Differentiate 2 with respect to x. In this one, same thing, 2a1x plus 2b1y into dy by dx is equal to 0. Same as in this one, m2 is equal to minus a1 x1 by b1 y1, as in this case. In place of a and b, only you will get a1 and b1. But these two curves are intersecting orthogonally. The two curves are intersecting orthogonally. Two curves intersect orthogonally. What is the condition? m1 into m2 must be minus 1. m1 into m2 must be minus 1. That is product of these two. Minus is there in both. So you will get plus sign ax1 by by1 into a1 x1 by b1 y1 is equal to minus 1. aa1 by b1 into x1 into x1 square by y1 square is equal to minus 1. So what is the value of x1 square by y1 square from this? This goes to the numerator, minus b into b1 by a into a1. Take it as result 1 or result, this is already 1 and 2 are used, take it as 3. Now because x1 y1 is a point of intersection of the two curves, it must be a point on both the curves. Since x1 y1 lies on both the curves, you can substitute x1 y1 for both the curves, that is a x1 square plus b y1 square minus y1 is equal to 0, and in this one also you can substitute x1 y1, a1 x1 square plus b1 y1 square minus 1 is equal to 0. Now here there are two simultaneous equations with x square and y square as variables. Let us solve those two by using cross multiplication method. By solving, let us use cross multiplication method. For that we have to start with b again minus 1, again a, repeat b. Similarly in the second one, b1 minus 1, a1, again b1, x1 square by y1 square by 1 by. Under x1 square you have to write this product minus this product. This product is minus b, minus of minus b1 plus b1. Under y1 square minus a1 plus a, ab1 minus a1b. Now you take first is equal to second, all the three are equal. x1 square by minus of b minus b1, I will write it like this, is equal to y1 square by a minus a1. You interchange these two, x1 square by y1 square is equal to, this goes to the numerator, minus of b minus b1 by a minus a1. You can take this as fourth result. In third and fourth, these are the values of x1 square and y1 square. So you can equate those two. From 3 and 4, 3 and 4 minus bb1 by aa1 is equal to minus of b minus b1 by a minus a1. Cancel minus on both sides. So interchange these two. That is a minus, that implies a minus a1 by aa1 is equal to b minus b1 by bp1. This will come to this place. Now you write aa1 separately under both the terms. A by aa1 minus a1 by aa1 is equal to b by bb1 minus b1 by bb1. Here b1 is cancelled, here b is cancelled, here a is cancelled, here a1 is cancelled. That implies 1 by a1 minus 1 by a is equal to 1 by b1 minus 1 by b. So you bring 1 by a to the right side and 1 by b1 to the left side. That is 1 by a1 minus 1 by b1 is equal to 1 by a minus 1 by b. That is the condition for the two curves to intersect orthogonally.